Waxpol Ultra Glow is a premium cream polish that keeps your car looking new. Polish in the shade on a cool, dry and clean surface. Can also be applied by hand. Take some polish and apply on the surface. Spread using slow speed. Dry the polish with medium speed and buff off at high speed in overlapping to and fro motion. Fold microfiber into 4 and wipe off. Work on small sections at a time. Harder paint or deeper defect will require more precision. Second application may be needed for high gloss finish. Get excellent water beading and protection from UV rays, acid rain and bug deposit, along with an enriched color that lasts. Waxpol Ultra Glow provides a long-lasting protective layer and a durable shine to the car paint surface.